What is good, YouTube? It's your boy KrLoverBoa, and I am back with another video. First and foremost, I just like to thank you guys for all the support. It means a lot. Right now we're at 70 subscribers, and all the videos have 210 plus likes, and that is a blessing. Couldn't have done it without you guys. I appreciate it so much. You already know the vibes. If you love your mom, I need you to go and subscribe right now. If you have on socks, I need you to go ahead and like this video. And without any further ado, we're gonna get straight into it.
Push that like button and subscribe.
Been using like different products in my hair and watching a lot of YouTube. One stuck out to me the most. His name's Giovanni Gaines, and his hair much longer than mine, but just like his, where he at now, he started with hair just like this. And I always had long hair, probably going on 3 years now, but I never really conditioned, shampoo, or done anything with my hair until a couple months ago. I started putting in treatments. I started like putting in products. You can get all your products at any Sally Beauty Supplies. So wherever you're watching them, just go into Google and type in Sally Beauty. So go on Google and type in Sally Beauty. So go on Google and type in Sally Beauty Supplies. And if you don't know where these products are, just take screenshots of each product that I'll show you and take it to Sally Beauty, and whoever is at the counter can help you find those. Try this routine you want to do on like a Sunday. Like Sunday you're not doing much, it's in the afternoon, and you want to just start that treatment on Sunday, and it should last you until like Thursday. I haven't put anything in my hair. My hair is dry, it's not moisturized, it's not conditioned, it's not shampoo, so I have no products in my hair. So we're going to be starting from your hair like this, and we're going to be working it. We're going to be doing a little miracle work, you know what I'm saying? So I usually get my hair cut every 3 weeks. You want to go into your barber and tell them that you want a drop fade, and you want your fade to be bald, but not really. So you want to have layers within your fade. I'm doing 360 so y'all can see the entire fade. Like, I got my hair cut 2 weeks ago, and it still looks good because of the layer. He went bald, and then there was like a light blend, and then a dark blend closer to the hair. But you want this entire backside to be bald, and then if you want a design, you can throw a design. You don't have to, but I like a design that adds a little feature or something, you know. Yeah, a little bit of spice, you know, to the haircut. First part we're gonna be using is this biotin right here, and you can find this at Sally Beauty Supplies. We're gonna do this for about 6 to 8 minutes. So like a decent amount right there. Really get it in there. And rub back and forth. Oh my God, it's in my eye. It's in my eye. I want to say it's been 5 minutes. Now we're gonna just rinse everything out. And you want to lean forward, just rinse everything out. So after that, we're gonna move on to the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. So you wanna put a lot of this in to get a nice squirt of it right there. And then just lather it through, just like you did the shampoo. And then now you want to grab your wide toothbrush. Now you want to grab your wide tooth comb, and you want to start combing out the hair, trying to get it. While it's in this process, the hair should be slick and wet. So you want to start combing through and just like getting rid of this because you're conditioning. So you want to start getting the hair right. So we're just gonna pretty much just rinse this out, and then we're gonna go to the next step. So now that that is done, we're gonna use the coconut wash. It's like another wash, it's called cold wash. We're gonna wash all of that out, and this thing, I'm telling y'all, like, it smells so good. You just wanna get like a 2-finger scoop, and really just want to rub it in there. And just rub back and forth, all up in there. And this one, you don't have to keep it in that long. So that right there should be good, and then we're gonna just rinse it out. And make sure the water is cool, not hot. After that, we're gonna be using the T-Gen Honey Miracle Hair Mask. I said do this on a Sunday because this one is super time consuming. Lather this in your hair and then let it sit in there for an hour. So you just wanna get like 2-finger scoop again. And then you wanna apply this everywhere into your hair. Keep applying it, shaking your hair. Make sure it's wet. Make sure at this point your hair is super wet. And we're just gonna throw it on our hair. Oh my God, man. If you watch my Truth or Dare, this is the trash bag. So we're gonna put this on and just let it sit for an hour. So I'm gonna finish showering. So we'll be back in an hour after. So after that process, I'll give y'all a spin of what the hair is looking like. Like the entire hair is deep conditioned. And now we just gotta wash this out and then we go to the styling process. First wash, you don't wanna dry it at all, keep it wet, because the rest of this part that we're gonna be doing, you want to hair wet at all times if you want the best curl defined. So we're gonna be moving on to the next step, which is the leave-in treatment, and we're gonna be using the silicone-free Miracle Styler from Shea Moisture, and you pretty much just wanna use this so you can have a leave-in treatment for the next 4 or 3 days or however long, until you think you need a sauce. So you don't want a lot of it. You just want to spray a little bit into your hand, and then you just want to moisturize it, and you want to rub from the back to the front and put a lot on the front so that the front is defined, because the back always defines itself easier, but you want a lot in the front. And then you want to keep one of these with you, a spray bottle, just in case you're losing water. Next thing, I really don't like this, but it's a nice leave-in conditioner for curls. So we're gonna put a little bit more in there as well. This is what makes the curls. Like, this is the money maker right here. So it's the Curling Henson Smoothie. It smells so good, and it's by Shea Moisture. And you wanna have your hair like dripping wet at this point, so I'm about to like drench my hair in water. Get a 2-finger scoop. This is real thick, so that's why you need 2-finger scoop, and apply one hand like this amount in the front. Rub that in the front, and you do the rest on the side. Do the rest on the other side. Get the back. Your hair should be white, because that's how you have to apply it. And then it all goes back normal once it starts to dry out. Next step is the extreme gel process. So this is how your hair is gonna hold. It holds your curls in place. You just wanna get a 2-finger scoop. Apply some in the front. Apply some on the sides. Top and the back. We're about to go crazy with the shake. Like, your hair gonna be hurting after this process, so you just wanna just. So you can see the curls are being defined in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. See it back. We're gonna just let it air dry for like an hour, or when you think your hair is close to getting dry, you're just gonna let it sit there and air dry. And some of it's gonna dry white, I'll show you after. So this is the best part of the video. What you need is an afro pick, because we've put so much water in it, our hair has shrunk a little bit, and pick out the roots so we can give the hair more volume. So for this part, I'm gonna be facing this way, but you can probably see it. So when you pick, you don't want to pick out like this. You want to pull down to the hair and out. So you're gonna be going more like that way. That's when you want to start picking your hair, when it's sort of damp, like close to drying, so your afro pick can get through it easier. So this is sort of the finished product. And the next step is you want to get any kind of shine oil. What you can do is you give it a nice little shake. And you hold it 6 inches away from your hair. And then just go back to it and just rub it in there. It's gonna dissolve in. Without any further ado, that concludes this video. And this is my curly hair routine that I've just started using. I use this every 3 days, 4 if I'm pushing it. I greatly thank you guys for watching and the countless support. I appreciate that so much. And I had to do the curly hair routine for the fans, and I'm not talking about the OnlyFans. So if you can leave me a like, a subscribe. If you have any suggestions, just drop it in the comment. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Push that like button and subscribe.